Let me cite some example of people in Kabataan Party List whom I personally know and joined the NPA. Number 1, Rendel Ryan Cagula, Kabataan Party List spokesperson of Southern Mindanao Region, a student of the University of the Philippines, Mindanao. So, si Rendel po, mas kilala dun sa kanayunan bilang alias Perper, nasawi po sa isang encounter with the 27th Infantry Battalion sa Sarangani Province noong November 2014. Next, Charis Bernardine Banyes. Si Chaba, siya po ay dating chairperson ng UP Los Baños Student Council. Naging student regent din po ng University of the Philippines noong 2009. Pagkatapos ay naging National Secretary General ng Anak Bayan. Nung panahon din na ako ay naging na-elect din na Anak Bayan National Vice Chair for Mindanao noong 2011. So right now, where is she? She's at the Guerrilla Front 56 of SRC-5 of the Southern Mindanao region. And my former comrades as well who surrendered in the 10th Infantry Division also can confirm that Shaba, the former leader of Kabataan Party List, is already a cadre of the NPA in SRC-5, particular Guerrilla Front 56. Next, this is Cherry Urindain. Cherry Urindain is also a student in UP Mindanao, became the regional spokesperson of Anak Bayan SMR. Kasabayan ko po to nung dumulo kami sa 6th National Congress ng Anak Bayan sa PUP noong May 2011. She is currently detained dahil siya po ay naging NPA under the Guerrilla Front 2 of the SRC-2. Ang code niya po doon ay Alisa. I also remember one personal friend. She's not from Kabataan, but gusto ko lang sabihin din para kunin yung logic, yung sa sinasabi nilang personal choice lang. Condolence to the family, but I just want to mention Vanessa Limpag, a very personal friend of mine. Collective ko po dati sa Zamboanga. Ang code niya po is Kyle. Siya po yung medical na kasama ni Paragon nung na-raid sila sa Bakibato. And napatay po siya sa raid na yon. From Perper to Kyle to Alisa to Chaba. Lastly, eto active NPA pa din. Yung dating Kabataan Party List Regional Spokesperson ng Panay, si JC Alejandro, na taga Romblon. Where is he? He is in the central front of the NPA in the Panay region. So are these just coincidences? Are these just their personal choices? Personal choice, yes, one way, but on the other hand, it's more on the program of the organization to make us believe of the armed struggle for us to make our choice to join the NPA.